A bill of materials is a list of sub-assemblies, parts, toolbox components, or anything else required to manufacture a product. We'll take a look at how to insert a bill of materials into a drawing. In a SOLIDWORKS drawing, go to Insert, Tables, Bill of Materials. You can also go through the Annotations tab and select Tables, Bill of Materials. In the Bill of Materials command, select a drawing view. You can load a custom bill of materials, change the BOM type, change to a different configuration, or select from a number of other options. Click the green check mark to insert the bill of materials. Once a bill of materials is inserted, you could easily modify it by right-clicking on a column, going to Insert, and adding a column. You can choose from a large list of SOLIDWORKS selections. Once the bill of materials has been modified, you can move it wherever you need to and even save it. Now we'll look at creating an Excel-based bill of materials. To insert an Excel-based bill of materials in a drawing, you must have a supported version of Microsoft Excel installed on your computer. You cannot insert an Excel-based bill of materials if you already have a regular bill of materials inserted. You'll have to delete that regular table before selecting an Excel-based bill of material. To insert an Excel-based bill of materials, select the drawing view, go to Insert, Tables, Excel-based bill of materials. Select from the default templates available to you from SOLIDWORKS, or any custom ones you may have created. From there, the Bill of Materials Properties window opens. The Configuration tab specifies basic display properties of a bill of materials. The Content tab specifies which items appear in the bill of materials and allows you to reverse the order of the list. The Control tab specifies how row numbers are assigned, what happens when a component is deleted, and how to split long BOM tables. Once a table is created, you can double-click on the table to open it and make changes. When your modifications are complete, just click back into the SOLIDWORKS drawing to return. Insert your own bill of materials into an assembly drawing and see how you can customize and save your own table today.